So anyway, a lot of the drones have a port on them that you can just plug it in with the battery in there. But with this specific drone, which is the Ameta S20 beginner drone, you have to charge the battery. You have to take the battery out. So what you're going to have to do to charge this battery up is you got to pop it out. You got to push here and pull. See if I can show you guys. It's right here. See that? I'm going to push against it and then pull it out. And once I do, then I can go ahead and charge the battery up. And if you look right here, there's a USB-C port on it. So you're going to need your own block. It doesn't come with a block. I have a block plugged in, and this is the USB-C right here. So all I would have to do is shove it in there like that. And then it's going to give me this red light, and I've got to let it sit until it turns green. Okay, so this will, it takes a couple hours to do that. Once it's green, then we're ready to go ahead and fly our drone. And you get, with the drone, you do get a backup battery, which of course you want to charge that one too. So luckily I have another USB-C right here that I can plug into it. And bam, look, we got two red lights. So all we've got to do is wait for those to turn green, and then we can take our drone out and fly it. Okay, so if you look now, you can see we've got two green lights. Here is my charging block that I've plugged into 110, and that didn't take very long, about an hour. All right, so we've got the two green lights. We're ready to go. Now we just got to unplug them, right? And then put one of these in the drone. Here she is. And the way it goes in, this goes up. You can see your USB slides in just like this, right? So I'm going to slide it in like this, right? Let me turn it around so you can see. I'm going to push this in. It's going to make a click. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We are ready to take this baby out and fly it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.